It's just 4 days until your taxes have to be filed, a little later this year because the 15th falls on Saturday and then there's Easter. So they give us till Tuesday this year. And if you don't have health insurance, you're going to be paying more. KMIR's Angela Monroe joins us live in studio with more on this year's tax situation. Angela.
Do you know the penalty went up this year under the Affordable Care Act, meaning if you don't have insurance, you're paying hundreds more than last year. I spoke with a local woman who says this is the first year she hasn't paid the price for not having health insurance. Rosalinda Garcia is paying the price for not having health insurance. This is nothing new for her. She's paid the penalty every year the Affordable Care Act has been in place.
I am a small business, daycare, childcare, and because of our fluctuating income, it's hard to actually buy insurance.
And people are paying more. Paul Schlager with H&R Block in Palm Springs tells us the penalty increased by hundreds of dollars.
The ACA penalties were set when it was passed. So this year, again, the individual responsibility penalty, if you don't have insurance, is $6.95. It will go, there is one more increase, which it will go up next year.
Last year, Rosalinda's family paid nearly $2,000 for not having health insurance.
This year we did get an exception because of my income. It was really low.
And tax preparers say, look for those loopholes.
If your income is under a certain threshold or you are not a U.S. resident, you may not be required to have health insurance.
An executive order by President Trump has the IRS accepting tax returns even if a person doesn't indicate if they are covered. The IRS is reviewing that to figure out the implications. Meanwhile,
status quo. Just continue on the way it is until direction comes otherwise.
Paul says they're seeing more people covered now. Rosalinda says the penalty is unfair.
It's just so expensive. Even as a privately owned business owner, it's really expensive to go out there and purchase insurance as it is.
And of course, with part of the political system looking to repeal the ACA, the future's unclear for health insurance and taxes. But don't forget to file by the 18th. Back to you. Yep.